How to find C-Do note. When we look at the piano keyboard, we discover black and white keys. Once you look deeper, you will recognize the black keys are separated into a pattern of 2 black keys, then 3 black keys. 2, 3, 2, 3. We are starting now with the note C-Do. This and much more after this short intro. This note, C-Do, is always positioned to the left of the 2 black keys. Look at your piano or at this keyboard image. How many C's, Do's are there in total? Play them all and record them. This will be your first homework. If you have signed up at our online course at the Premium or VIP package, submit your recordings to us. We are looking forward to your results. To enjoy the full access, sign up for the course and get the books now. See you there!